Hello. Today we're going to talk about what causes the aches, the pains, the intensities you have in your body. Usually people come because they have a lower back pain, they have a knee pain, they have a elbow pain, neck pain, headaches, feet, ankle, hip. But each of these have a common denominator, and that is it's a feeling, emotion, or judgment that is lodged in that area of your body. For example, you might have a fleeting thought that you have no support in life. The support could be physical, the support could be emotional, the support could be financial. You think, or the thought comes through your head, I have nobody to support me, to help me. Then you will create the lower back pain. And usually when people come to me with any kind of aches, any intensities, I ask them, what happened in the last 24 to 48 hours? What was going on in your mind? What was going on with you? What conversations did you have? What were you focusing on? And usually if it's a lower back pain is how there's no support. Or if it's an ankle, a hip, a knee, a foot, how they're afraid of the future. Anything weighs down usually is afraid of the future. How they're afraid because they're not prepared, they don't think they can do it, whatever. But it's fear of the future. What were you thinking about? So next time you have an intensity in the body, stop. Go back to 24 to 48 hours to see what could have caused this. How were you feeling? What were your thoughts at the time? Because your thinking creates. And if you don't let it go, you store it in the body. Creation starts at the thought. And then if it's something like, I cannot do this and I cannot continue to go this way, I cannot, then you start having problems in the hip, the knee, the ankle, the foot, everything that takes you forward in life. And that's what you build. That's what you create. And then you start tripping over yourself. You start falling all over. I had a client who actually went and got tested for hearing. She hears less on the right side of her body. Now, why is that? Because she's had problems with the masculine side of her family. They complain and complain and complain and complain and complain and complain. She listens and listens and listens, and she thinks she's got to listen to it all. So what is she creating now? She doesn't want to listen to it anymore. So she's making herself tone deaf or lowering her volume as to what she can hear now. Cute, huh? Instead of telling them, stop, I don't want to listen to you anymore. She started to lower how much she can hear. She finally realized that. So what is going on with your body? What are you doing to your body? The other thing is, if you don't want to, you're afraid of the future. It's not just you tripping over yourself, but also your sight. You won't be able to see far away. You won't be able to see because far away means that the future. Or if you don't want to see your present circumstances, you're going to blind yourself to seeing close. It's going to be blurry, and eventually you're going to need thicker glasses. If that will help the problem. So pay attention to your feelings, emotions, and judgments. Pay very close attention to it, because that's how you're creating your body. You're instructing your body that you want to go on or you don't want to go on. And with that, have a great day. Bye-bye.